This is a timeless fragrance of soft, woody, spicy elements, conjuring a natural sensuality that can be worn whenever, wherever. Woody 9 composition begins with this lovely orchid which releases a delightful, spicy scent with soft hints of sweet honeysuckle that lingers beautifully, adding in an amazing warmth and depth to the fragrance. Pamper yourself with our Therapeutic Orchids infused fragrances, as its scent brings peace and tranquility to you while energizing you for the day ahead. These orchids are also known for their medicinal usage, providing healing properties that have been used in many herbal medicines. In Nepal, this therapeutic orchid is powdered and prepared with rice flour and butter, then baked and served as tonic. Leaves of this plant can be used to treat inflammation, while juice extracted from its roots is used in healing cuts and wounds. A commonly used medicinal herb in Yunnan, China, the decoction of this orchid is used mainly to nourish livers and kidneys. It also regulates vital energy and blood flow while improving blurred vision and night blindness. This is a relatively immaculate and simple fragrance, with sandalwood and splashes of spice notes completing the composition while adding a beautiful layer of aroma. Sandalwood is an immensely popular ingredient in perfumery. Soft, warm, milky with green nuances, it is a beautiful scent that fits well in nearly every context, with many other fragrance ingredients. Sandalwood is a base note that has amazing longevity with a satisfying, lingering scent, yet not overwhelming. Traditionally, sandalwood is used as a form of folk medicine to treat a variety of health conditions. It is also extremely beneficial in aromatherapy. With its powerful calming and sedative properties, it aids in alleviating anxieties and stress, while also improving quality sleep. Lastly, we have added in spice notes to take this fragrance up another notch. Spices are great to add a scintillating touch to fragrances, while providing an invigorating warmth and potency at the same time. They sometimes possess earthy, aromatic notes, with slight hints of spice, and at times comes in a rich, clove-like scent. Such elements usually brighten our senses, boosting our concentration and helping to relieve lingering fatigue. A seriously elegant and sensual fragrance that is perfect for the office or a date night out. With the right amount of warmth and intensity, it is subtle enough not to be daunting, but powerful enough to last you through the whole day.